In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template on your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing setup, customizing templates can be a great way to tailor your store to your brand's unique needs. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main hub, where you'll find all the tools and settings you'll need to manage your store effectively. Once you're on your store's homepage, look towards the sidebar for an option labeled Themes. This is where you access the building blocks of your store's design. Next, you're going to click on the Customize button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be directed to the theme editor. It's got a straightforward interface designed to ease you into making changes without too much complexity. From here, what you want to do is look for a small drop-down box. This box usually appears at the top of the editor, often indicating the current template you're viewing or editing. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on this drop-down box. Doing this will reveal a list of different areas or pages you can edit within your store. What you're interested in doing next is selecting Products. This selection presents you with options to specifically customize the product pages of your Shopify site, allowing you to alter what potential customers see when they're browsing your goods. From the Products section, you'll have the option to click on Create Template. This step is crucial because it prompts you to start building a new template. In the window that appears, pay attention to the field labeled Name. Here, you'll type a memorable name for your new template. Make sure it's something descriptive so you easily recognize its use later on. You'll then see a Based On option, which allows you to choose an existing template to start from. This step allows you to build off of a design you're already comfortable with, saving you time and effort. After selecting the template you want as your starting point, click Create Template once again. This action saves your new template and sets it up for customization. Remember, your new template won't affect your live store until you apply it, so feel free to explore and experiment with different design elements and tweaks. This process allows for a lot of creativity, giving you the flexibility to reflect your brand's personality through your product pages. And there you have it. Your new custom product template is ready for your unique touch. Happy customizing, and I'll see you next time.